Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch, step-by-step GPS and region fix guide. Fix 1. Turn on location services. Open setting on your phone, then go to location or privacy, then location services. Make sure location services are turned on. Then find Facebook and allow precise location, then reopen Facebook dating and check your location. Second one is refresh your GPS location. Turn location off, then back on. Go outside or near a window for a better GPS signal. Open Google Maps or Apple Maps to confirm your current location. Return to Facebook dating and check if the location update. Third one is restart the Facebook app. Close the Facebook app completely, then remove it from recent app. Open Facebook again, then open the dating tab and check your location. Fourth one is update the Facebook app. Open the Google App Store, then search for Facebook, then tap update if available. Then restart the app and check Facebook dating. Fifth one is check your phone's region and time. Open setting, then go to date and time, then turn on set automatically. Check that your region country is correct. Open Facebook dating again. Sixth one is log out and log back in. Open the Facebook app, then tap the menu icon. Scroll down and tap log out. Sign in again, then open Facebook dating and verify your location. Thanks for watching.